Hello everyone, so near the Puerto Lopez here in Ecuador, I'm staying at Azuluna, and man, they have beautiful cabins here. It's real, and I'm going to be really sad because I'm leaving today. But before I leave, let's go and check out what they have to offer. So as you come and check in, this is the in-house restaurant, and the great thing about staying here is not only you get free tea and coffee and water, but also your breakfast is included in your accommodations, and they make great food. It's reasonably priced. While it is not cheap, but about 20% of the money spent here goes to local projects, and also fully employ the locals, and they make wonderful food. And everything they buy here is from responsible sources. So this is actually one of my favorite areas, a social area where you get a foosball table, pool table, and ping pong table, and you know, there's books, there's board games, a great place to just hang out and do nothing if you like. Another great thing about it is if you really want to go somewhere, beaches is roughly about 200 meters away. So behind me is a Deluxe Cabin. It's huge actually, very comfortable, especially the bed. You get a queen size mattress and also a lot of space for you to hang out. You not only get a bathtub, but also you get a shower, so you know, you get to choose. As well, of course, is air conditioned. My favorite part though is the living area closed by a huge window, and for you to get some sunlight, so for you to wake up to. If that's not enough sunlight, you can always come out to a huge terrace right here. It's all yours. And yeah, very comfortable suite. Perfect for honeymooners. So behind me is a suite that's perfect for a couple with a child, you know, for families. Not only you get a really large room, you know, lots of breathing space for everyone, you get a nice big queen bed and a second smaller bed, equally as comfortable. You got a hot shower 24 hours a day, and of course a little hangout area to chill inside, and you wake up to, again, sunlight every single morning. If that's not enough, once again, there's always a terrace as well. Take a look at this. Nice view of the nature and the ocean. Can't ask for more. Now another great thing about this accommodation is the location. It's roughly about 15 minutes away from the Puerto Lopez, and it's super convenient. The bus every 20 minutes right outside the street. That's about 50 meters away. You can also take a taxi there. It only costs $1. And really sad that I'm going to be leaving today, but I hope you come and check it out and enjoy the stay and write your own reviews. See you next time.